Good morning. It is me, Mr. T, going to explain example 5 from section 9.3. So let me get that up here for you. Also with that. Okay. So we are using the same diagram, but using this question, and not the one that's right there in your book. Use the diagram to and information in example 5. All right. The vertical distance from the ground. Let me get my annotations here. The vertical distance from the ground to the eye. So his eye is looking at, it's this line here. So we're from the ground to his eye is 5.4. So here it says 5, but it's now 5.4 feet. And the distance from the gym wall from you is 8.1 feet. Approximate the height of the gym wall. So now we're trying, let me move this picture here. We are going from the floor all the way to the top of the wall there, to the ceiling. We're going that whole way right up there. Okay. So we just need to find what this one is right there. Let me get a different color. We need to know, oh, wrong thing. We need to know that line right there. That's going to be our X basically, or our W. Let's see, it's W feet. That's our unknown variable. Once we find that unknown variable, we can add the 5.4 feet to it and we'll know the whole height of this. So how do we find W? Well, we're going to be using those theorems that we used, the geometric mean altitude or the geometric mean leg theorem. Now, again, the geometric mean altitude means the altitude, which is this one right here, this 8.1 feet, is going to be, when you square that, it will be this. So let's say if I square it, that 8.1 squared is going to be the product of both segments of the hypotenuse. Okay. So we've got 5.4 times our unknown, which is W. I know I'm using the altitude because this is the altitude. So I'm using the altitude theorem. If it was this one that they gave us, a leg, then I would do the leg one. All right, so let's get our calculators. 8.1 squared equals 65.61 equals 5.4 W. Now to get W by itself, I'm just going to divide by 5.4 on both sides. So W equals, let's see, 65.61 divided by 5.4 is 12.15. Okay, that's W. Now that's this point right here. Now we need to add the whole side. So 12.5 plus the 5.4. Okay, so we're adding 5.4. And your answer comes out, I'm going to write it up here, 17.55 feet. You got to have feet. If you don't do feet, it's wrong. Okay, I hope that helped. Please give me comments, guys. I need to know if these videos are helpful for you. I found out that the video icon things that are in the ebook, when you click on those, Those are actually these extra examples that I've been doing. I thought they were videos of the book, the examples that are in there, but it makes sense that, why do a video of one that's already written in the book. So you could watch their videos, you can watch my videos. They're pretty much they go really quick, and theirs are fast. So if you know what if you're on top of it and you just want to go through it quickly, watch theirs. But if you need like explanations and details and step by step, those are kind of my videos. So, but I do need your feedback, please.